Hi. You often use GPS to store your exercise journey in GPX format. To access these GPS files, you need an application that can read GPX files. We have a solution for you to help open GPX files. Firstly, go to our website, which is located in the YouTube description link. You will be brought to our web page. Choose the GPX file from your computer. The GPS data for that file will then be displayed on our map. You can zoom the map to see details. Click on the website link in the YouTube description to get this free software now. If you like our content, please press the subscribe button as well. Our team provides useful tech content on a weekly basis. Remember to click the bell as well. Thank you for watching.